In this video, I will show you the coolest and easiest technique to create the sexy cat eye look and the viral reverse cat eye look. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Tanya. Please take a moment to subscribe and press the bell icon beside it to get notified whenever I upload a video. So without further delay, let's just start the video. I have already done my face makeup and I will be starting with the cat eye look first. So for that I am starting with the concealer. I have applied the concealer on all over my eyelid and then I am blending it with the help of a brush. Then I will set the concealer with the help of some loose powder so that it does not crease. Setting the concealer with some loose powder makes your eyeshadow blending really effortless. So whenever you want a very blended eyeshadow look, then always make sure that you set your concealer with some loose powder. Now to achieve those sharp edges, I am using a sticky tip. I will just follow my lower lash line as a stencil to place these sticky tips. For today's eye look, I will use the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette, and the first color that I am using is Sandalwood, that is a very light brown shade. I am applying it on all over my eyelid. The star of this eye look is the eyeliner, so I will be keeping the eyeshadow very natural and nude today. Now I am using henna, that is a slightly darker brown shade, and with the help of this shade I am drawing a wing. I am just following my own lash line. Now I am drawing another wing just above the brown with the help of a black eyeshadow from the same palette, and I am using an angular brush to do so. Just follow your own lash line as a stencil. You need not worry about the edges because the sticky tape will take care of it. Now I am blending both the colors together. Take your time and blend both the brown and black together beautifully so that you get a beautiful ombre effect. Now I am taking Sandalwood once again and I am applying it on all over my eyelid. And with the help of this I am going to blend the sharp edges so that there are no harsh lines. Both the eye looks are equally flattering and are going to complement any outfit or any look that you create. So if you create any of these looks, don't forget to tag me in my social media accounts. To make the wing more dark and intense, I am applying the dark brown and black once again and I am blending both the colors together. Now for the eyeliner, I am using the In Color gel liner, and to apply the eyeliner I am using a 00 size brush. This is available in any stationery shop. I will draw a very thin liner today, but I will not extend the eyeliner outward. I will just top up to my lash line, and again I am using a black eyeshadow and extending the eyeliner to draw a beautiful wing. If you follow this process, you will see that you get a very beautiful smudged out extended wing liner. Now I will elongate the inner corner. For my lower lash line, I will apply little bit Sandalwood only on near to my lash line. And now I am highlighting my brow bone and inner corner with some highlighter. And that's it. For my lower lash line, I am using the same gel liner from In Color and I am applying it with the help of the back of the brush. Now I am curling my lashes and I will coat my lashes with some mascara, and then I will apply some falsies. For this type of eye look, make sure that the falsies you use should be something that wings outward. This will make your eyes look more elongated and it will merge with the wing that you have created. So here is the completed look. This is the cat eye that I have created, and you can see how easily you can achieve this look. I hope you all like it. So for the next look, I will be doing the reverse cat eye look. And once again I will start with my eye makeup directly. So at first I am applying the Faces Canada Gel Kajal. You can apply any kajal or liner of your choice. I will apply it on my lower lash line and also on my upper lash line. Now I will take the same black eyeshadow and I will smudge the kajal outwards. You can see I am just elongating the kajal outward following my own lash line, and for that I am using a very thin angular brush. Nothing fancy, just take a black eyeshadow with the help of an angular brush and smudge the kajal outward so that you get a beautiful elongated eye. Now I am taking henna once again and I am just applying it below the wing and I will smudge it further. Now with a clean brush I will just blend the black and the brown together. And as you can see, I am blending all the colors outward because our goal is to achieve a reverse cat eye, that is a very elongated and lifted eye look. So that's it for my upper lash line. I am applying the sandalwood once again on all over my eyelid. And that is pretty much it for the eyeshadow. I will highlight my inner corners and then the brow bone with the help of some highlighters. Now I am just extending my inner corner and I am joining it with my lower lash line. I will not draw a very thick line for my upper lash line. I will just make a very thin eyeliner look. And after curling my lashes I will apply some mascara and then once again I will apply some falsies, but this time the falsies are not very bushy or not very elongated. So here is the completed reverse cat eye look. I hope the tutorial was very easy to follow. If you like my video, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends and family and comment below and let me know your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon.